if you have your exam on the 21st of March, no need to panic because this is a prediction that is global. And I'm an IELTS examiner. I conduct group and individual classes. Evaluation for the speaking and the writing is also available. Other materials updated are available. Yeah, these are the cue card predictions, and from my PDFs, the reading they hit. And I have 1 million views on the Instagram. You can follow me there. Of course, you don't have time because you are occupied, and this is from Cameroon. So you'll know in this video what to expect, important questions, overall the tips, and also overall it is the best date that I predict. And of course the important questions that I'm going to reveal are 100% and the topics are always 80%. Of course the level also depends. So the results, the predictions hit and the accuracy you can go and see on my Instagram page. These are some of the predictions, the results before you, the predictions hit. Of course, the final version of the cue cards from Jan to April is available. If you want a 7 plus, then you must buy this PDF. And I will also predict so that you get 90%, you'll go get those cards. These are some of the predictions and the results. And of course, from my PDF, again reading. Again from my PDF the results. I can't put everything here, and this was from the reading PDF academic that was repeated on 10th Jan, recent one, again task 2. All these are, you can just see it for yourself. These are all those who have been hit. So my Instagram handle is English with Anita Kundra, and you can, the proof is there. You must visit the highlights and decide for yourself. Now the listening module, you have form completion and table completion. It could be regarding a rent inquiry, a housing inquiry, a job inquiry. In fact, any kind of inquiry I would tell you. Then the multiple choice, you have the wildlife tour, a person telling you about the tour, or library, its usage. Yeah, and you can buy materials from my website www.englishwithanitакундра.com. And part 3 is multiple choice and match the info, market survey, psychological experiment, environment research, and business. These could be the topics. Part 4 is note completion, topics urbanization, workplace, green energy, learning, practice. The third and the fourth part of the listening at a high speed of 1.25. Overall, the listening is going to be easy. In academic reading, this is the PDF you can buy where you will get the passages that get repeated, and of course it is very good for practice. So these are the real exam questions. Yeah, you can message me, I will give it to you, or it is also available on my website. Now passage 1 is true false not given, match the information. The topics are 80%, I always say, and these are 100%. You will get these questions. Work efficiency, consumer history, and office productivity. Passage 2 is match headings, sentence completion. Topics are education policy, conceptual and behavioral science, and it needs lot of reasoning. You will have to reason out. Now this was from Canada that was hit, the prediction. For the task 2, you have this PDF. All the questions are repeated from this PDF, and you must buy if you want 7 plus. Passage 3 is MCQs, summary completion, yes, no, not given. The topics are environment, human behavior, decision making, and attention span. Again, these are some of the predictions that have been hit, and it is going to be easy to moderate. Please practice real exam questions that are available in the shop section of my website, englishwithanitакундра.com, or you can WhatsApp me at this number. Please note down this number. You can WhatsApp me and I'll provide you. Old passages do get repeated, and you can WhatsApp me, and you can go to my Insta page and check the highlights for results, predictions, feedback. Nothing is fake here. So this is again that was hit, a lot of them. And in passage 1 you have, for the general reading now I'm talking about, you have form completion and multiple choice. Topics are 80% health, sports, and any workshop. Passage 2 and 3 is match the headings, short question answers. Now, these are the topics for 2 and 3: work responsibility, staff policy, training, safety and promotion rules, volunteer program, and the third is the match the information true, false, not given. For passage 4, you have yes, no, not given, summary completion, flow chart, and match the people. The topics could be 80% career, work stress, changes in employment skills, and communication. The level is going to be easy to moderate. Fourth passage rather, even the third also, you should be careful. So accuracy is very important here. So you get 70% off on the bronze reading in the GT in the course section of my website. And this is englishwithanittakundra.com. That's a website. And see, just by the videos, she gets 7.5. And again, the cue card hit. That was the 31st. And for the writing academic, you have table, line, bar, or a combination. You can buy the PDF from the website. These are the two PDFs that are available, and 90% you will get from these. Yes, this I can assure you. I've stopped counting how many cue cards I've hit. Anyway, so you can WhatsApp me this number for any prediction. And for GT, it is task 1, it is formal letter, request or complaint. The PDF of all these topics that is of the GT is available. You can message me. For writing task 2, GT and academic combined, it is agree, disagree, discuss, and 2 question. The topics could be current trends, technology, social behavior. Again, these is the final version, and a free sample is available on my Telegram channel, and I have pinned it. Okay, so this is environment, children, education, and work stress. Task 2 prediction and practice materials available on the WhatsApp. You can get it directly. Please subscribe, like, and share. It really motivates me if you find it useful. Okay, the level is going to be easy to moderate. If you want tips to prepare all the tricky questions, then a PDF is available on my site for $4.99. It is Gold Plus and it is for limited period. The speaking could be hard because new cue cards and part 1 topics have been added. You can join my Telegram channel and get a free sample of the recent cue card, again, which I'm saying is pinned. And the final version of the cue cards and the final part 1 version is available along with prediction. It is 90% accurate and assured 7+ bands. Thanks and all.